I already posted. If you want again, I'll post it. Okay. I'm just deleting this. Once again, I'm posting jobs. Internal career site, non-workers right. So we can go over here and we can create a website for them. And there you will get one option. Once it is designed, refer option you'll get. So there we can refer the candidate. Okay, now we are going to posting to our agency. Yesterday we created the name. The name is this one. Scan agency topmost and subordinate. I'll post here and see how it gonna happen. Okay. I'll try to click on this. See. This is, the site which will look like for agency career sites. So here you can submit a candidate. Yes, I have a C. This is coming. Yes, I have a written consent to the terms and conditions. Right. Yesterday we were seeing this. Terms and conditions. New candidate or existing candidate. We'll give new candidate. We'll see what happens. So given name, we'll give something. We'll try to give one device type. Okay. I'm just giving simply some description. And this option. See here, when we are trying to upload a candidate, it is asking school degree which had everything. So what do you feel like how these features are coming here? There is an option called Configure Optional Fields. I will explain you whenever we referring topic. Is there right? That time I'll explain you how this. Fields are populating over here. So, and you can restrict some fields also. That time I'll explain you. If I explain now, it will be out of topic and you will be confused. I'll explain you this. So school we can give something. What is the school? Maybe by country. Okay. A country. The language it is asking. It's mandatory field, so we have to give that language. We'll try to give something. We'll get the others. So we'll try to fix this. Phone device time mobile. Country 4. I will get version 2. Maybe get our copy and remove you. I'll try to build the environment first. So let's try this out. Okay. I will tell you superb. We are done job posting right just now into the agencies. There we are landing in that page. Again, I will click on this. Submit candidate. And we did not design. I do not know. You know, here it is not taking the candidate. Reassigning, it is coming. But you know job application, each and everything when we design external candidates, when we are sending, we can move that candidate from review to ready for that. Anyway, here is the error, it is coming. So again, it will take time to fix all those things. So let us jump into our topic. We can go to that, and ours is KMS. See here. Our URL is here. It is a site URL. This is our page. External site URL. Yeah, it will go on this page. You can see a lot of job applications posted over there, and you can click on Apply. Candidate can apply by seeing them. So actually you know the candidate which we tried to send. There is a problem because few other things has to be done. So that another candidate will come over here. So once we design this, what do you say? Job application, BP and all those things. Then, so it is asking on the business. Object, prompt select recruiting agencies. Recruiting agency user.